Got that mustard in there. Oh. Alright, it's been about 3 days. The 17th was St. Patty's Day. I have to sort through this. Yeah, we're having this. Let me get something for that. Yeah, we're definitely having that. We're having that. And we're gonna find the beef. Oh, beef. The corned beef. Yeah, we're having that. We're having this. We're definitely having this. Boom, 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 boom. Little potato, don't matter. But I'm sorting through. It's been 3 days. Oh, look at that cabbage. You kidding me? Still crunchy, still chewy. Good stuff. Little potato. Yeah, beef. Beef. Potato. Alright, I'm going to sort through this. I'm going to separate most of this. And we're going to make some kind of hash with it. You know what? Even though it's cold. This is how we drool it. Oh, I found more. Look at the size of that. Alright, I'm gonna get back to just Paul doing what I do. This is how we drool. Alright, we have to mix our mustard. To make Coleman's mustard, powdered mustard, to serve simple condiment, water. Equal parts. The water's the catalyst. Alright. So then we have to wait a few minutes. So I'm gonna mix my mustard. Cool water, it said. I'm waiting for it to get cold. Yeah. There we go. Equal parts. So, what do I got in there? Old school mustard. Probably about that. What do you think? We'll see how it fares. I need to mix it. making mustard. Are you kidding me? Real mustard. Not that stuff you buy in the... Ooh. I want to taste this first. Okay. I'm supposed to wait about 6-7 minutes or so. I'll get back to you. Alright, we got our pan going. We've made our mustard. Let me taste it. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow. Coleman's ain't no joke. What, they put some horseradish in that? Oh. Wow. Coleman's is the shiznit. Alright. We got our leftovers. We gotta hash this up, don't we? We gotta hash this up. Alright. Break it down. All that. Oh. Excuse me. That's how it goes, right? That's how it goes, right? Working my way around. Alright. I'm gonna have to boil this down some. I'll get back to you once I get this hashed up, boiled down. Hash. What do we need? Beans on toast! I don't have none, sorry. But I'm going to be doing this for about 20 minutes. I'll get back to you. Yeah, we hashing up. Hashing up. Yeah, we hashing up. Hashing up. Hashing up. Yeah, we hashing up. Beans on toast. I don't have. So I gotta hash this. That's all I have. Hashing it up. Simmer down. Yo, baby. What's up? Just Paul. What am I doing? Yes. What am I doing? Dusty bread. Go put some on toast and get this over again. It's haunted. What's he doing? Oh, I just need a little something, something. Fix this grain. Hashing it up. That's what I'm doing. Ooh, that's that cabbage. Oh, shut up. House is haunted. Alright, let's mix it in. Told you, I hashed it up. I hashed it up. Look at that. Oh, just to put that in there. Yeah. This is not American. This is not any style. This is me. Ooh. Both know that the house is haunted. Yeah, you and I both know that the ghost is a me. I got all that juice out of it. Ooh. I'm just waiting for it. Coleman's. I hope this is toasted enough. Corned beef, cabbage, carrots, potato on spread on my toast. Y'all know this is a toastest with the mostest. That Coleman. Oh, the bread evens it out. Shut the door. This is mine. I just came up with this. There's no other recipe, I guarantee you. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Leftover corned beef and cabbage made to a mash. Coleman's mustard on toast. Perfect leftover. Shut up. Yeah, just drool. This is one you gotta try, people. Thumbs up. I'm almost speechless right now. Oh. Just keep tasting. Just keep tasting. Just keep tasting. I'm about to go make more toast. I'll see you. Love y'all. Thumbs up.